and great family live life happily. Yes, I know. अब पहले वीडियो के बाद मैं बहुत ब्रेक ले चुकी हूँ बिकॉज आई वाज सेटलिंग डाउन इन माय न्यू कॉलेज हॉस्टल एंड न्यू सिटी. बट अभी सेटल हो चुकी हूँ एंड घर पे आ चुकी हूँ. सो लाइक ये बैकग्राउंड मुझे बहुत पसंद है इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे वीडियोस बनाती हूँ. सो यस, मेरा सारे वीडियोस रेडी थे बट इंट्रो शूट बाकी था इसलिए वो रह गया है. So without wasting time, let's get started with our first topic, that is hashtag self-helping thing, and that topic is self-love. So let's get started. और जाने से पहले सब्सक्राइब कर देना और बेल आइकन को भी हिट कर देना क्योंकि आपको मेरी वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएंगे. ओके, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Loving yourself, or more easily self-love. So most of the people like यार क्या बकवास कर रही है, इतना क्या लेक्चर दे रही है खुद के बारे में. हमको मालूम है सेल्फ लव क्या होता है, मालूम है. But do you really realize, or do you really do yourself, or do you really go on doing, like, what can I say for that word? I don't remember. Like, do you follow that you are doing the self-love? No, nobody. I was also not doing, but when I realized, I started doing it. Many people have like the concept that self-love is blowing theory, and they often ignore it. But and they start aspiring like being perfect. I should be perfect at every time. When I look also, I should be perfect. My hair should be perfect. My presentation, I should be perfect. I should be perfect in the work. Blah 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 blah. But they think the perfection is a more greatest asset than the self-love. It's totally wrong. And when we talk about self-love, we think it's very easy picture, like someone read the helping books, hugging trees. No, that doesn't show the self-love. Self-love is like when lots of us have studied that showing love yourself keeps the mental health problems away. That which we are living, that actually set the goals, like, and we perform their goals, like we achieve their goals, and we actually do the expectations what the society has set for us. But that actually is very different. We don't do the goals what we want. And okay, I can accept that you're achieving your goals. What goals? Studying morning, day, night, and not sleeping, not keeping yourself healthy, and earning money. That's your goal, that's your success, and you just forget yourself in that all, and you just completely become a different person. So what's the life you're living? What's the thing you're doing? It's actually wrong. You be successful, you earn a lot of money, you work hard, but in that, don't forget yourself. Consequence, we end up being too hard on ourselves, and often without any realizations. All of us more or less stuck up in concept that we are working, or society interaction, life goals, weekend plans, so on and on. इसके बाद अगर मैं सेल्फ लव की बात करूँ तो बोलते कहाँ है भाई इतना टाइम नहीं है. टाइम निकालना पड़ेगा for yourself. If you don't remove time for yourself, then the mental health starts go on, like anxiety, depressions, negative things, and no happiness. Loving yourself is the most beautiful thing. Don't be the robot, like सुबह शाम काम करना, सिर्फ काम. अरे रोबोट भी थक जाता है आफ्टर उसकी बैटरी खत्म हो जाएगी के बाद. टेक अ ब्रेक एंड रियलाइज, सिट एंड थिंक व्हाट वी कैन डू. Spend most of the energy like loving others, friends, family, children, girlfriend, boyfriend, partners, we like spreading love. But the question is, do we produce enough for our own self? Just think about this question. We can't all accept the external source of love from your inner side. A person who practices self-love will be always happy. And the most important thing I want to tell you now is the self-love is not being selfish. It's just putting yourself first and not being too touchy to yourself. That's the self-love. So the next time when you heard the little sound from your inside head telling you that you're not doing good, you cannot be afford this mistake, just ignore it. When our loved ones make mistake, we often forgive them like easily. But when we make mistake, we often become too hard to ourselves. The first step you have to do in self-love is realize we are the only human beings, and it's okay to make mistake, it's okay to lose, it's not a best day or weekend, month, anything. Just realize that thing. Okay, I just want to not make this too much big. Last thing I want to tell you that there are many benefits of self-love. The first benefit is that your positive attitude towards life, it develops. The second is your mental health will be good, like no depression, no anxiety, and your mind will be relaxed and good. And the third thing, you will start doing good habits and not being the robot, being the human being. Be a human being. I just want to tell this much only. And आई थिंक लाइक मेरे जो वीडियोस से शायद थोड़े लोग सोचेंगे एंड थोड़े गुड अप्रोच होंगे, मे बी. आई एम जस्ट नॉट होपिंग हाँ होगा, मे बी. For that I made this video, that much only. So thank you all of you. Have a great new year. Wishing that your new year should be good and exciting. And for now, bye bye guys. Love you all.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ लाइक कर देना, और हाँ जाने से पहले सब्सक्राइब कर देना चैनल को, और बेल आइकन को भी हिट कर देना, क्योंकि हमारी नोटिफिकेशन आपको बहुत पहले आ जाए. और बहुत सारे अपकमिंग वीडियोस आने वाले हैं. एंड सॉरी फॉर द लेट. आई एम वेरी 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 सॉरी. नाउ बाय बाय. लव यू. लिव लाइफ हैप्पीली.